Hello, my name is Vati Pabon from Making Music Melodies, and today I will be showing you how to make your own tissue box guitar. So before we get to that, I'm going to show you an actual guitar that I have. Okay, so what will you need to make this? First thing we're going to do, we need a tissue box or a stool box and then we need rubber bands. We need a empty paper roll and tape. So first, we are going to take one rubber band, put it through the box, and then we're going to take another rubber band and also put it through a box. And then another rubber band and put it through a box. And then we're going to take one more rubber band and put it through the box. And now, I'm going to take this roll of paper, put it right here. After that, I'm going to take some tape, and stick this all the way to the box. Then after that, you guys can lock on your tissue box guitar. Thank you.